So here on the Unit 7 example question set, we've got question 11. This is an SAT style question. And we have to be careful about how we answer this. The question asks, if 4 over x equals 16 over x plus 5, what is the value of x over 10? And I would say that before we can figure out what x over 10 equals, we need to know what x is, and we can solve that using this. This is a proportion, and we can just cross multiply. So we have 16 times x, and that's going to equal 4 times x plus 5. So 16 times x is 16x, 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 5 is 20. And then I'll subtract 4x from both sides, so I get 12x equals 20. Doesn't seem right. Well, I guess it is. Then we will divide by 12. So we get x equals whatever 20 over 12 is. I don't think it's pretty. I think it's a run-on decimal. So probably we'll just leave it as whatever kind of decimal it is in lowest terms. I'm putting in my calculator. You can't see it. Yeah, it's a 1.666666 forever. So I'm just going to put it in lowest terms. So this is going to be 5/3. Now here's the deal. A lot of people would stop here and go, oh, x is 5/3, I'm done. And they would give me that. And they wouldn't have done anything wrong, but they would get the problem wrong because it doesn't ask what x is. It asks what's the value of x over 10. So you'd have to take your x, which is 5/3, and divide it by 10. And I'm going to do that on my calculator real quick. 5 divided by 3 divided by 10. You can't really see it. Okay, I messed up. 5 divided by 3 divided by 10. Still a run-on decimal. But it's going to equal 1/6. All right, so be careful. Make sure that you are answering the right question.